Where did our efforts go? By Broken Build.
In the town of Techville, everyone was excited about their new project. But one day, Sarah, the project manager Tiger, noticed something strange.
Where did all our efforts go? Why haven't we released those important features that we promised? Why is our delivery unpredictable?
Do you know I don't work here?
What is the distribution of our efforts?
Maybe it's time to check your sprint analytics.
My what?
Try the Agile Velocity Chart gadget.
Yeah, by Broken Build.
I've heard of it too, and I don't even work here. I'm just a mouse. The Agile Velocity Chart gadget helps you understand what's really happening inside your sprints. This app has 3 charts to add to your Jira dashboard. You can add multiple boards as a data source and analyze unlimited sprints. Each chart provides advanced sprint metrics. Unlike the default velocity chart in Jira, which offers only 2 metrics, initial commitment and completed work, the Agile Velocity chart has 10 advanced metrics. There's also a 3-level breakdown to slice and dice your sprint data. For example, you can break each metric by issue type, priority, release, or project, and layer these breakdowns, creating up to 50 combinations. Drill down to the issue list to inspect your sprints in detail. There are also other great features, including filters by epic, release version, or JQL queries, target lines and benchmarks to visualize teams' progress, and plenty of options for data export.
Wait. I think I got it. We worked on those top priority bugs that popped up from nowhere and changed our scope. Now we can see where our efforts go.
And it has a 30-day free trial. Happy Oktoberfest from the Broken Build team.